The Finance Minister of Uganda, Honorable Matia Kasaija, has today visited Alfasan Uganda Limited Company in Namanve Industrial Park. During his visit, he was welcomed by Honorable Monica Musenero and her team, as well as the TicVac-Uganda team and Alfasan Uganda team.
David Yes, sir. No, yes, I work with Honorable Musenero. I lead the Industry 4.0 Bureau SDI. So we shall be showing you the next
We'll show you another
some of the things that we're doing. At TicVac. Yes,
we will not be him to come back.
This occasion, he was introduced to the staff and team responsible for the development of the anti-tick vaccine, that is the TicVac-Uganda and Alfasan Uganda.
I wanted to show you. Can you walk us around?
This young man,
the pharmacist.
Ivan Kapel.
The pharmacist.
Oh, you're the pharmacist. Okay.
We have very few such. I'll tell you again if you are impressed.
Okay.
And the rest is my staff, science, technology, and innovation.
Where have you been working with? Don't try to be the best. Young man. Making you the best.
You see, all the other universities and independent research. So let's show you around.
Thank you.